Hi everybody. I know, it's been a long time. Yes, a lot of things happened in my life since last year. I don't like to talk about it, so I won't. But yeah, many things happened, and even though I recreated this channel to be more on YouTube, well, I didn't. But I'm back for real now, I hope, at least. So today I will just try out the watercolor from Hema, just because I saw that. And okay, I'm not familiar with watercolor at all if you have seen my work, but I wanted to try. I'm not sure trying out of Hema is the best idea, but I really wanted to. So, and I'm gonna give you my opinion of a watercolor specialist and what are my first impressions. So I hope it will help you if you want to purchase. Or so I started first with swatching all the colors. As you can see, I'm sorry, my voice is a little bit broken, so it is gonna be so I started first with swatching all the colors, and in terms of pigmentation, as you can see, I had to sometimes take quite a lot of color to have something that too transparent on the paper, or maybe it's because I'm not used to it. I like the fact that everything is into one palette. It makes it very easy if I want to travel with it, and that's my final goal. Because if you don't know, I also do live art on Twitch, and sometimes I do IRL and drawing live in Paris. So I like to settle somewhere and, I don't know, draw something. But the thing is, I would love to do it with gouache, but that's a little bit high maintenance because it is a lot of things to carry, and I already have all the live gear, so it is a lot to handle. So I was wondering, with this palette, as this is compact, maybe it can be easier. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. So now we had the swatch. After that, I'm gonna try a simple how should I call it, green flourish. I don't really know what I tried to do. Please keep in mind, this is my first watercolor ever in my life, so I barely know what I'm doing. I watched a few videos to know the basics about how to handle watercolors, but that's really not my thing. Gouache, when I started, I was able to handle it way better, but watercolor, I know it's hard, but it's really hard. Also, in terms of comparison, I'm gonna try to buy, I don't know, something like Winsor & Newton. If you have a favorite watercolor brand that you like and high quality, please just let me know in comment, and I'm gonna buy it to try out the difference and see how I can manage another brand better. I don't know if I'm gonna do a lot of watercolor in the future, but maybe you will see more on this channel. I have so many ideas, and now I'm more than ready to make everything happen. Also, quick note on the channel, I had those past few years a lot of type of content, a lot of YouTube channel ideas, but well, I'm just one person and I can't do everything. So there was an idea of channel I had about me just sharing my thoughts about different things, not necessarily art related, and I think I'm gonna merge that with me drawing. So you're gonna have different types of art content mixed with different type of audio of me talking about things, and a way of thinking, things in life, things in society, and we will be able to talk about it in the comment section. Also on Twitch if you want to. You will have the channel linked below. So yeah, do not hesitate. So yeah, I managed to do, I don't know, a tree-ish branch. I don't even know what it is at this point. Yeah, the girl you're seeing on screen barely knows what she's doing. And now I try to do flowers. I try to mix colors to not work directly from what's given, but I'm not so sure. Also, it was supposed to be, at the beginning, I wanted to do one video about Hema product, but I realized that I couldn't because it is gonna be way too long. This video is already 17 minutes and I didn't want to give you a half an hour video, so you're gonna have a part 2 with acrylic. And I have better experience with acrylic, so I will have better feedbacks to give you. My voice is just leaving me. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm gonna talk less and let you enjoy a little bit of music. And that's it, basically. Okay, number 2, I wanted to do something more abstract. Maybe I should have watched a tutorial or something. I just went with the flow, for real. If you follow me, you may have noticed that purple is my favorite color, as if you see my Instagram, it's very, very purple dominated artwork. And I'm faithful. I'm very faithful. So I kept this drawing in purple habit for this drawing, for this painting. I think if you really want to pursue watercolor, it is not the best product, but to try out and to play around, it's fine, even for children. And I'm pretty sure it's thought a lot for children. It's good because it's quite cheap. I don't remember the price, but it isn't that expensive, and you have a lot of color to play with. I don't even know why the washi tape didn't want to tape at all. So it was a struggle because I hadn't a very defined edge as I like to. And I think at some point I removed everything and I painted everything. I think I did that at some point. If you don't know, I also have an Etsy. Not sure if it's still gonna be on when I upload this video, but if you are interested in drawings I have done, just let me know on Instagram and I will let you know. Yeah, I knew it. I had to redo the edges. Yeah, that's the thing with watercolor, because if you don't know, the more if you repaint a surface, it makes it, I mean, it's not only watercolor, but if you repaint the surface, it makes it darker. But as I had a part painted already and the white part on the left, it was still weird, even though I was reapplying some color. That's the thing I was trying to work on, but very, very, very difficult to manage. If you know about watercolor and you notice one of the weird things I do and you have some tips to me, feel free to comment. I will gladly read and note and apply everything for my next one. When I see the amount of blue, I feel like halfway into painting, I feel like when I see the amount of blue, I decided to do less purple, to change a little bit, and to change what I'm doing all the time. I really like these silver gouache paint I have. I wanted to add some highlight, and I'm not sure how to call that. So I added a little bit of gouache. I'm supposed to do more art with this gouache because in fact, I bought it to do painting on dark papers, but I didn't really use it. And here is the result. And as I told you, I do live art on Twitch, so if you want to join. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.